Welcome to the scanning execution video for the single crown. The single unit crown scan includes 4 segments or scanning steps: preparation, preparation arch, opposing arch, bite. You can move between segments with the directional arrows on the touchscreen. Note that tapping the arrows on the screen allows you to move from segment to segment. Let's start with the preparation, in this case for tooth number 19. This segment includes only the prepped tooth and captures the full margin and all sides of the prep, including the occlusal, lingual, buccal, mesial and distal surfaces. The key to scanning this segment is to start on the occlusal and use one smooth, steady motion to move from surface to surface. Turn on the wand and start scanning. Once the occlusal surface is captured, while continuing to touch the surface of the tooth, roll the wand slightly lingually to capture the lingual. Next, maintaining a steady pace, roll the wand back over to the occlusal surface and onto the buccal, while keeping the wand horizontal to the teeth to capture the buccal anatomy. To capture the interproximal walls, place the wand in the occlusal area and lift up the cord end of the wand to capture the distal wall. The opposite movement, dropping the cord down, ensures the capture of the mesial wall. Stop the wand and assess the scan. Look for any missing anatomy. Confirm the position of your preparation by moving the green dot to the center of the occlusal surface. Let's move to the second segment, preparation arch. In this segment, we will scan the quadrant of the arch containing the preparation. The interactive scanning feedback will identify which teeth must be captured in this quadrant, depending upon the location of the preparation. In this case, tooth 19 is the prepared tooth, so we will scan the lower left quadrant. To move to the next segment, tap the directional arrows on the touchscreen. Place the wand over the most posterior tooth. Activate the wand, moving forward across the occlusal plane and stopping at cuspidolateral area. Then roll to the lingual surface and lift the cord end of the wand to tilt the wand vertically and show the long axis of the teeth. This allows you to twist the wand slightly back and forth as you move towards the posterior area, capturing interproximal anatomy of the lingual surface. Next, roll back over the occlusal to the buccal, keeping the wand horizontal at a 45-degree angle. The lens should maintain contact with the buccal cusps of all the teeth in the quadrant. Stop again at the bicuspid lateral area. One aspect of the preparation arch segment is acquiring the contact anatomy. Once the preparation segment is captured, continue to capture the contact points. Capturing the contact points ensures that the lab is able to fabricate the crown with adequate contacts. An easy way to capture the contact points is by moving the wand until it is completely perpendicular to the arch as shown. This allows your wrist to turn back and forth. When you twist your wrist back towards you, you capture the mesial contact. Turning the wand in the opposite way captures the distal contact. Let's move on to the next segment, opposing arch. Tap the directional arrows. Place the wand on the most posterior tooth. Activate the wand, moving forward across the occlusal plane and stopping at the cuspidolateral area. Then roll to the lingual and lift the cord end of the wand. Now tilt the wand vertically to show the long axis of the teeth. This allows you to twist the wand slightly back and forth as you move towards the posterior area, capturing the interproximal anatomy of the lingual surface. Next, roll back over the occlusal to the buccal, keeping the wand horizontal at a 45-degree angle. The lens should maintain contact with the buccal cusps of all the teeth in the quadrant. Stop again at the cuspidolateral area. The bite registration is the last segment and is essential for a perfect fit. It is recommended that the patient sit up in order to record an accurate bite registration. Retract the cheek with the sleeve and insert the wand parallel to the buccal aspects of the teeth. Hold the sleeve with 2 fingers. To start capturing the bite, activate the wand and move slightly up and down to capture the gingiva and 3 teeth in a wave motion. The purple coloring on both upper and lower segments of the arch indicates a successful bite registration. The scan has been completed at this point. You can go back to any section by selecting it from the menu. You finished the scanning process. Tap View Mode icon to review the completed scan. Watch the post-scanning review video to learn more. It starts with iTero.